The next standard in our progression is 3.md.b.3. Draw a scaled picture graph and a scaled bar graph to represent a data set with several categories. Solve 1 and 2 step how many more and how many less problems using information presented in scaled bar graphs. A scaled picture graph contains a key that will indicate which each symbol stands for. When you read data from a scaled picture graph, you need to know the value of each symbol and multiply each symbol by the value or add up the symbols by using the values. The example on our slide is 1 book is equal to 4 books. When children are reading a bar graph, they need to be able to compare the lengths of the bars to find out which bar is worth by reading the scale. The bars in a bar graph do not need to be in numerical order. When students interpret the data from the picture graphs or bar graphs, they should be focusing on which category has more, less, or the same amount. This will allow them to draw conclusions about the information that's shown in the graphs and make generalization about them. Most students should be comfortable at this age with a scale of 1, 2, 5, and 10. Some students might also be able to work with scales of 20, 50, or 100. Graphing in the classroom is a great way to expose children to both picture graphs and bar graphs. For example, you might ask the question, "What is your favorite lunch?" The children would have 4 different choices: pizza, chicken nuggets, tacos, or other. Using a bar graph, they can then interpret what the most popular and what the least popular food is for lunch in their classroom.